is our teacher, Sir Faisal, and our name is
Afika,
Aina,
Dania.
Sofia.
We are
adriots.
We are from SMK Seri Panching. This is our school.
The name of our product is Rolling Scholar Box. Dania shocked when her first time into the class.
Why?
Oh my god, this class don't have any locker.
She looked under the table and it don't have any drawer. Where can she put her things? Look at the table, it's so messy. Look, Sophia dropped the book because her table is so many things on it.
Oh no, poor my Dania, her back is in pain. It's because the back is make her uncomfortable to sit on the chair.
I have an idea to solve this problem.
What is it?
Let's go, I'll show you.
This product can serve with a recycled plastic bag and box. This product can make it easier for students to place the item like books, water bottle and pencil case.
Our product is related with SDG. SDG is abbreviation for Sustainable Development Goals. These products are related with number 4 and 9. 4 is quality education and 9 is industry, innovation and infrastructure. For the side, we layered a cardboard layer by layer for 5 times to make it strong enough to hold the boxes that we wanna put in the between of the side and glue it using a hot glue gun. And after that, we wrap the box that we glued with a plastic to make it waterproof. For the storage box, we only use 3 boxes with the same sizes and stick it with the cardboard pieces that we glued earlier. For the top, we wanna make a compartment for students to put their water bottle and stationery. We're gonna make a rectangle shape and divide to 3 parts, which one of it for a water bottle compartments. For the water bottle compartment, we're gonna cut a box to circle shape and wrap the box with plastic so it can be waterproof. And for the stationery, we cut half of a bottle plastic and put it to another compartment. The measurement of the product as is shown above.
You can buy chipboard screw, castle wheel and glue at Mr. DIY. You can go to their physical store or buy it online. You can install the apps. The apps is Mr. DIY Home. And other stuff like plastic bag and box, you can go to the recycle place or you can find it near your house. And lastly, the cost is 40 ringgit and 30 cents.
That's all from us. Bye!